You work hard to grow and manage your business, but hackers are also working hard, developing more and more sophisticated tactics. Quick fixes are no match for them. There's no silver bullet. A continuous, multifaceted, and people-centric defense is needed. At Tech.SuperPowers, our experienced staff have spent years developing our defense-in-depth cybersecurity strategy for startups and growing companies. First, we audit your existing defenses. We look for vulnerabilities at every layer and then plug those gaps using our curated tools. It's an ongoing partnership. We'll be at your side to implement, manage, and monitor your security so you can rest assured that you're following the latest industry standard best practices to stay ahead of hackers. Cyber attacks are costly. Don't wait until the signs of trouble to mount up your defenses. Get in touch and we'll work together to position the proactive defense strategy for you.